Hello kids, good afternoon. Today is June 8, 2020 and the topic is superlative adjectives. The expected learning outcome is understand comparative and superlative adjectives. Let's begin. Remember, the adjectives are superlative and these are short adjectives and we will add an ending, est. For example, old, oldest, large, largest, hot, hottest, windy, windiest. In the last adjective windy, we change the Y for I and add IST, okay? Because it finishes in Y. Now, irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives will have a different form in the superlative form, okay? So we have good, best, bad, worst. Okay, these are irregular adjectives. Let's continue. Look at the pictures and practice the questions and answers. When we ask about people, we made a question who. For example, who is the oldest? Who is the youngest? Look at the pictures and tell me who is the oldest. Yes, the oldest is the man. The man is the oldest. Who's the youngest? The baby is the youngest, correct. Look, the baby is the youngest and the man is the oldest. Now, let's look at the animals here. The animals are the rabbit, the tortoise, and the cheetah. Which is the fastest? We are asking which because we are talking about animals. Remember, when you ask about a person, is who. When you ask about animals or things, is which. Which is the fastest? Yes, the cheetah is the fastest. The cheetah is the fastest. Which is the slowest? Correct, the tortoise is the slowest. Remember, when we ask about animals, we use which. When we ask about people, we use who. Now, let's practice saying the sentences. Please repeat after me. Right here we have 3 pictures. In the picture 1, we are only describing. That's why we use the adjective in the regular form. In the second picture, we are comparing the car with the bike. And in the third picture, we are comparing the plane, the car, and the bike. 3. When you use superlative adjectives, you compare more than 2. You compare 3 or more things, okay? When you are using comparative adjectives, you only compare 2, okay? So, when you describe, you only use an adjective, the regular form. The bike is fast. Repeat after me. The bike is fast. The car is faster. The car is faster. The plane is the fastest. The plane is the fastest. Okay, very good. Now, you will open your student book on page 163, 163, and answer the exercise F. Write the date on the top, June 8, 2020. Okay, now we will write the comparative and superlative forms, okay? Let's look. Fast, faster. What is a superlative for fast? Remember, it ends in EST. Yes, fastest. Funny. What is a comparative? Funnier. And what is a superlative? Funniest. Very good. Lonely. Comparative, lonelier. Superlative, loneliest. Excellent. Remember the endings for comparative and superlative forms. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. Hungry, hungrier, hungriest. Very good. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Excellent. Remember, you write the comparative and the superlative form of these adjectives, and then you check your answers here in the ebook, okay? I will erase these answers. 1, 2, 3. You can write them on your own and check them here in the ebook. Okay. Okay, now open your workbook on page 140. On this page, you will answer exercise A, B, C. And write the date on the top. It is June 8, 2020. Exercise A, you have to study the grammar. This activity, like learn grammar superlatives, will help you to answer the activity B. Okay? So, please, let's go to the exercise B. Write the superlatives. Old, the oldest. Slow, yes, the slowest. Smart, the smartest. Tall, the tallest. Good. Heavy, the heaviest. Just remember to change the Y, okay? Big, the biggest. Remember here, double the consonant. Young, the youngest. And short, the shortest. Remember, these are superlative and the ending is est. Est, because they are superlative. Okay? Good. Let's continue with exercise B. Circle the correct words. Look at the pictures and circle the correct words. For example, Tom is the shortest. Tom is the shortest. The goats isn't or aren't. Remember, isn't for singular, aren't for plural. Yes, the goats aren't the smallest or the biggest. The smallest, correct. The goats aren't the smallest. Number 3, Mary and Annie, these two girls, is or are the youngest or the oldest? Yes, Mary and Annie are the youngest. Number 4, the computer is or the computer are the lightest or heaviest? Yes, the computer is the heaviest of the 3. Okay? Excellent. Check your answers and remember to look at the pictures and circle the correct words. Let's pass to page 141. On this page, you will look at the picture and answer the questions, okay? Look, this is Jake, this is Jose, this is Abdul. They have a cat and they have a ball in their hands. Answer the question. Is Abdul the tallest? No, he isn't. Abdul is not the tallest. Is Jose the shortest? Is Jose the shortest? Yes, he is. Is Jake's cat the biggest? No, it isn't. We use it because this is an animal, okay? Is Abdul's cat the biggest? Yes, it is. Is Jose's ball the heaviest? Yes, it is. Is Jake's ball the lightest? No, it isn't. Okay? Remember, we use he when it is a person, and we use it when it is an animal or an object or a thing. Okay? Let's go ahead with the next activity. Answer the questions. You will answer the questions on your own, okay? I gave you 2 answers here, but you can use your own. Are you the tallest in your class? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. You decide if you are the tallest or not. If you are the tallest, you will answer, yes, I am. If you are not, you will answer, no, I'm not. Are you the oldest in your family? Remember, the oldest is the person with that is older, like more age, okay? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Now, in the question 3, I gave my answer. You can check your answers, okay? Or you can use my own, okay? What's the biggest toy in your room? Well, I wrote, the biggest toy in my room is a teddy bear. What is the lightest thing in your backpack? The lightest thing in my backpack is my pencil. Remember, you can use these answers or you can use your own answers. Maybe it's not a teddy bear, the biggest toy in your room. And maybe it's not the pencil, the lightest thing in your backpack. Write your own answers. These are examples, okay? Or you can write my answers or use your own answers. Good. Okay, now look at this. It says, during the online class, you will answer workbook pages 144 to 145 together as a class. This is the review pages, okay? So please get prepared with your workbook for the online class. We will answer pages 144 and 145, okay? So get prepared with your pencil case, your workbook, and your color red if it is necessary, okay? So please watch the video, practice the information in the video, look at your student book, look at your workbook. If it is possible, open your ebooks and check your answers. No homework this week, no evidence this week. That's why we are answering these activities together, okay? Thank you. I see you in my class. Goodbye. Goodbye.